So when the dragon saw that the Jade Emperor has not sent rain on the earth and people were still suffering from the hunger and starving, so now what they thought, see, suddenly one of the dragons look out to see. One of the dragon, he saw the sea and said, I have an idea. There is so much water in the sea. Let's scoop it and scoop up and spray it towards the sky. He said, why not, we can scoop the water, because there is so much water. Scoop means to suck the water, pick up the water from sea and then spray it from towards the sky. The water will fall like raindrops and the people will be saved. So other one said, okay, good idea, let's go. And then the dragons decide to bring rain to the people on the earth. People were happy when they saw it started raining. It's raining, it's raining. They were started dancing to see the rain. But the land is green again, and the sea god raises his head angrily. The land was green, but the sea god, he came out from the sea in a very anger mood. Why he was in anger? Because dragons were scooped the water from the sea and they have not taken the permission. So he was very angry. Then he goes to speak to the Jade Emperor. He complained about the dragons to the Jade Emperor and said, the disobedient dragons took water from my sea. They have sent rain to the people. He had sent the complaint to the he just went there and complained that these dragons have sent the water and they have not taken my permission. Then the Jade Emperor, he was also became angry and he said, how dare they bring rain to the earth without my permission? I will teach them lesson. And then the four dragon are brought to the palace in chain. They were all were chained in the means they were caught up uh, by the messengers, or you can understand by the attendants. And when they came, he said that these dragons are very kind. Imprison them under huge mountains. They were punished will be to lay trapped on earth for the rest of their lives. And he said, with now how many years they have to live? They have to live in where they have to live? They have to live under the huge mountains. You can see the huge mountains are there, big mountains, and now they can't live in the heaven. They have to live on the earth. But they were punished. But the dragons were happy. Why they were happy? Because they want to be useful to the people on the earth, because they wanted to serve the people, they wanted to help the people. So they were happy that they came on the earth. So what they did, so the four dragons turned themselves into river. So these four dragons have changed themselves into river. Why they have changed themselves? So that they could keep the land green and fertile and continue to help the people on earth for the rest of their lives. Means if they will help, they can help only when they will live. If they will die, they can't help to the people. So they turn themselves into a river. So river can't be die. So because of this river, all the land were now green. So this was the story. Now we will do the exercise in my next video. Thank you.